Salt Lake City, nestled in the heart of Utah, is known for its breathtaking mountain vistas, vibrant community, and unique climate. However, the area's distinctive weather patterns present specific challenges for homeowners, particularly when it comes to windows. From scorching summer heat to snowy winters, windows in Salt Lake City must withstand a wide range of environmental conditions. This is why expert window installation services are not just a luxury, they're a necessity. The climate challenges of Salt Lake City. Salt Lake City's climate is classified as semi-arid, characterized by hot, dry summers and cold, snowy winters. This wide temperature range puts considerable strain on a home's windows. Here are a few key climate challenges. Intense summer heat. During the summer months, Salt Lake City experiences average highs of around 90 degrees Fahrenheit, with temperatures sometimes exceeding 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Prolonged exposure to this intense heat can cause window seals to degrade, leading to air leaks and reduced energy efficiency. Without proper installation, even high-quality windows may fail to protect your home from the sweltering heat. Cold, snowy winters. In winter, temperatures often dip below freezing, with significant snowfall. Poorly installed windows can allow cold drafts to seep in, increasing heating costs and making your home less comfortable. Moreover, repeated freeze-thaw cycles can damage window frames and compromise their structural integrity if not installed correctly. Variable humidity levels. While Salt Lake City is generally dry, seasonal changes can bring shifts in humidity. This can affect wooden window frames, causing them to warp or swell if they're not properly treated and installed. High UV exposure. Due to its high elevation, Salt Lake City receives more intense ultraviolet (UV) radiation compared to lower altitude regions. This can cause fading of interior furnishings and deterioration of window materials if windows are not equipped with adequate UV protection. The importance of expert window installation. Given these climate challenges, expert window installation services are essential to ensure your windows perform optimally. Here's why professional installation makes all the difference. Proper insulation. Expert installers ensure that windows are sealed tightly, eliminating air leaks that can lead to higher energy bills. Proper insulation not only enhances comfort but also reduces the strain on your heating and cooling systems. Material selection for the climate. Professionals understand which materials work best for Salt Lake City's climate. For instance, they may recommend vinyl or fiberglass frames for their resistance to warping and excellent insulation properties. Enhanced energy efficiency. Experienced installers use advanced techniques to maximize the energy efficiency of your windows. This includes ensuring precise alignment and using energy-efficient glazing options like low emissivity, low-E glass to reflect heat and UV rays. Durability and longevity. Improperly installed windows are more prone to damage from the elements. Professionals ensure your windows are installed to withstand Salt Lake City's diverse weather conditions, extending their lifespan and protecting your investment. How to choose the right window installation service. Not all window installation services are created equal. Here are a few tips to ensure you choose the best professionals for your needs. Look for experience. Opt for installers with a proven track record in Salt Lake City. Familiarity with local climate conditions is key to a successful installation. Check certifications and warranties. Reputable installers often carry certifications from manufacturers and provide warranties on their work, giving you peace of mind. Read reviews. Customer reviews and testimonials can provide insights into the quality of service and customer satisfaction. Request a consultation. A professional consultation can help you understand your options and receive a customized solution tailored to your home and climate challenges. The benefits of expert installation. Investing in expert window installation services offers long-term benefits, including lower energy bill. Properly installed windows reduce heating and cooling costs, saving you money in the long run. Improved comfort. Say goodbye to drafts and temperature fluctuations, and enjoy a more comfortable living environment year-round. Increased property value. High quality, professionally installed windows can boost your home's curb appeal and resale value. Peace of mind. And with expert installation, you can rest assured that your windows are ready to handle everything Salt Lake City's climate throws their way. Conclusion. Salt Lake City's unique climate demands windows that are not only high quality but also expertly installed to meet the challenges of extreme temperatures, UV exposure, and variable humidity. By partnering with experienced window installation professionals, homeowners can protect their investment, enhance energy efficiency, and enjoy a more comfortable home environment. Don't leave your windows to chance. Trust the experts to provide the durable, efficient, and weather-resistant installation your home deserves.